Hi, everybody. We're at a new Goodwill to us in a town called Delano. We've never been here before, so let's go see what we can find. I was excited to find a brand new French rolling pin, and it was originally sold at Home Goods for $5.99. Goodwill was selling it for $7.99. So I put that back and thought, I'm going to go to Home Goods and get one. I had already found a beautiful blue onion pattern cup made in England, and I currently have it displayed in my winter decor, which I will be changing out soon and bringing out my spring decor, and I'll share that with you when I get it set up. I wasn't sure about this other cup. It had pretty birds on it, but when we looked it up, there were a lot for sale. We've been wanting to go to all the thrift stores we can find in our area of California, and we've been able to hit a few. Delano is predominantly a migrant worker community. It's within 50 miles from where we live, and it's Kern County's second largest city next to Bakersfield, which was very surprising to me because their Goodwill was one of the smallest Goodwills I've been in. Agriculture is Delano's major industry, and the area is particularly well known as a center for the growing of table grapes. I really like the color of this butter dish. It's by Sweese, S-W-E-E-S-E. Goodwill had it for $12.99, and on Amazon it's selling brand new for $15.99. So I left that there. My husband always points out the pink depression glass, and it doesn't have a good resale value, and while I think it's beautiful, it just doesn't go with my home decor. This Goodwill had so many glass pumpkins. This was a very pretty clear crystal votive, but it wasn't signed, and it was so heavy. It was really nice. I was really tempted by these Christmas trees. I thought they were so pretty and would make really pretty home decor, but they wanted $10.50 for the bigger of the two, and I believe it was $8.50 for the smaller one. It was just a ridiculous amount in my opinion, for those trees. There were so many people here in this little store that it was very difficult to film, and this long row here was the extent of their hard goods. Look, so many pumpkins. I feel like I'm in a pumpkin patch. Someone gave up their entire collection, I'm sure. Oh my goodness! I was so excited to come across this bag of glass Christmas trees. I know I've seen the similar ones in the past, but I can't remember where. Something tells me that it was Home Goods, possibly, but I might be mistaken. At any rate, I was excited to see them. And they had two little nutcrackers, like ceramic nutcrackers in there. These are going to be so fun to put out for my next Christmas home decor. I liked this shoe stretcher. I was contemplating using it in a vignette somewhere in my home as a home decor, but I ended up deciding to leave it there. I found Temptation, and look at how beautiful they were. All 4 pieces were $4.99 a piece. But when I really looked at them, I saw that they were very used and damaged. It was so sad to leave such beautiful items behind. These are the items that we found at the Delano Goodwill. We were thinking today would be a good day to go thrifting in Delano, and we didn't have much luck. All these little trees and the 2 nutcrackers were in a baggie for $3.50, and I just thought that they were really cool. I think that when I was shopping for Christmas decor this year, I saw a lot of these, and I think they were each going for several dollars a piece. So for $3.50, I thought this would be great, and I can decorate the house, put these out in different little areas. This is a little iridescent colored one, and they have 2 different shapes. If you can see, 2 different shapes of these iridescent ones. And then I got one of these white ones that is so cute. And then these pink ones that I hadn't seen before, but they're so cute. 4 of those. 2 of the red ones that look like the iridescent one there. 2 of those. And then 2 nutcrackers, which I thought were so cute, and they say this on the bottom, and I think these might be from Target. So anyway, not bad. I think they would be really cute, just strewn about your home for decor. And I turned around and I saw this, and I love Port Marion so much. These are forget-me-nots, and it's a cute little dish for, I don't know, sauce or nuts, whatever you want. This is the mark on the back, so it's not one of the older Port Marion. It's one of the newer Botanic Garden. These are made in China, which are not my favorite. I prefer the ones made in England, but they're still Port Marion. They're still beautiful. I had to get it. It was the only one that they had. I paid $1 for it. So not bad. And there's no damage to it, and it's just so beautiful. So got that. I also got this little wooden tree that I just thought was cute. I thought it was cute. And it's, I think, again from Target, $3. But I believe I paid 75 cents for it. So got a good deal on that one. And then I found this. It's the blue onion pattern, and all it says is made in England. And so I think it might be Churchill. I'm not sure. It's super dirty. But look at how beautiful that handle is. And what did I pay for this? Gosh, I want to say it was $2.99 maybe? Yeah, $2.99 is what the lady quoted us. So not too bad. And then finally I found this cute little guy. He is from Aeropostale. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but yeah, there's the tag. He's new, still has his tags, and he was originally from, let's see, I saw the date on him somewhere. I thought I did. Maybe I'm mistaken, but I believe that he is vintage, and we got him for $1.99. He is new, and he's in good shape, good condition. His little hat is still on, and see, his little knitted cap goes over his ears, and he's just adorable. And see, oh, here it says A87, so I'm thinking he was from 1987. Anyway, really cute. He's a cutie pie. And for $2, I thought, I think he will sell. So we're excited about that one. For all the Goodwills we went to, it was very slim pickings today. There was not a lot on the shelves, but what was on the shelves was not great quality. So that was all we found.
My husband and I were almost home, and suddenly he turned the car around to go in the other direction. And when I asked him what was happening, he said he had found a yard sale. So we went to the yard sale, and we found some really great stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the items, and then at the end I'll tell you how much we paid. The first thing I found was this Johnson Brothers Mount Rushmore plate, and I couldn't believe it. I've never seen anything like this, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever. So of course I had to get it. All of these were filthy, so I have washed them, and look at how cool that is. And it's a Johnson Brothers, so how can you go wrong? This is going to go perfectly with my 4th of July Americana display. The next thing I found was this Johnson Brothers Friendly Village plate. And if you've seen my videos, you'll know that I did purchase a whole set of these dishes, and this one just had to go with the rest of the dishes. It was just too fun to pass up, and I didn't notice that it had a little chip on it when I bought it, but I don't care because I did get a really great price on it. And because the chip is on the bottom, I can always hide it with other decor. The next thing I found was this adorable plate. Oh my goodness. Number one, it's in blue and white, but it says a good mother makes a happy home, and it's made in England. On the back it says Royal Crownford by Norma Sherman, Staffordshire, England. And how cool is this? And not only that, but I'm pretty sure that I have another plate with a similar design in red and white. So, and unfortunately I didn't find it before this to show it to you, but I believe I do have one. So these two would be really cute together. I've been saying recently that I couldn't find any red and white transferware, and here I happen to find it at this yard sale. This one is a Currier and Ives, and it's made by Homer Laughlin, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's called Home Sweet Home, an American Subject, and how perfect would this be for my 4th of July display as well. So I can use it for Christmas time, and I can use it for 4th of July. When we asked them how much they wanted for the plates, they said $3 for everything, for all the plates. I couldn't believe it. It was so great. And then when I told them how cute this next item was, they gave it to me for free. The last thing we found was this yellow smiley face mug / coffee cup, whatever you want to use it for. It's unbranded and we can't find any information on it on the internet. So I know that it's very heavy. It feels really good quality. And I remember when the smiley face everything was so popular when I was in elementary school. It was everywhere. And I just think this is really cute. If you like the video you saw, click here.